How to retrieve archived emails. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily retrieve the archived emails on your Gmail account. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail app, and if you cannot find an email that you're looking for, then that probably means that you have archived it. So in order to find your archived emails, what you need to do is first tap on the three dots at the top left, and from here you will be on your inbox or your primary tab. You just want to head over to all inboxes. What this will do is it will show you all of the emails from your inbox. And if you don't see it on your all inbox, then you just have to head over to your all mail. Just tap on all mail and you will see those emails which are on your inbox, and it is indicated by this little icon that says inbox. You just have to scroll down and find the one that's not on your inbox like this, long press on it and then tap on the three dots. Then you will have an option to move to inbox. So once you do this, your email will be retrieved. So I'm just going to move this to inbox, scroll down, find another email that is on my archives, select another one, and then move this to inbox as well. So once you do that and get back to your email or your primary tab, you will find the email that was archived previously. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.